Cookie, you can't have Toby. Okay. Ah, excuse me? No, you can't go with you can't have Luna, I mean. Luna belongs to Charlotte. Cookie, get out. Get out of his house, please. Lucy's calling you. Come on. Come on. Come on, look, Cookie. Cookie, Lucy's calling you. Come on. She knows you're in trouble. Call Cookie. Lucy, call Cookie. Cookie. Cookie, get out of this house because Charlotte is fighting with you. Come on. Come on, Cookie. Lucy's calling you. Hey, I'm calling you. Come on. You're not listening. Come on. Lucy's calling you. Come on.